The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is already shaping up to be one of the most talked about flagship phones, and honestly, the excitement this time feels different. Even before launch, leaks, renders, and dummy units have kept the device in constant discussion. But among all the design changes and hardware rumors, one feature is quietly stealing the spotlight again: the S Pen. Multiple leaked images, dummy units, and early renders clearly show that the Galaxy S26 Ultra still includes the S Pen. Even more interesting, a circulating unboxing video, although widely believed to be fake, shows the S26 Ultra retail box with the S Pen printed on it. While that video itself cannot be trusted as official proof, it lines up with what we've already seen from other sources. So at this point, one thing feels almost confirmed: the S Pen is definitely staying with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The real question, however, is not whether the S Pen exists, but whether it will regain one very important feature: Bluetooth connectivity. This is where things get interesting, because Samsung made a controversial move with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. For the first time in years, Samsung removed Bluetooth connectivity from the built-in S Pen. That meant features like air actions, remote camera shutter control, and gesture-based shortcuts were completely gone, turning the S Pen into a more basic stylus rather than a smart accessory. That decision did not sit well with fans. Many longtime Ultra users felt disappointed, especially those who actively used Bluetooth features for productivity, presentations, and photography. Online discussions made it clear that people saw this as a downgrade rather than an upgrade, and some even questioned Samsung's direction with the Ultra lineup. The S Pen had always been one of Samsung's strongest differentiators, and removing Bluetooth felt like stripping away part of its identity. Now, looking at the situation around the Galaxy S26 Ultra, things appear to be shifting. Based on the current leaks, dummy units, and overall feedback Samsung received after the S25 Ultra, there is growing speculation that Bluetooth connectivity could return to the S Pen this year. Nothing is officially confirmed yet, but the way Samsung is positioning the S26 Ultra makes it feel like a redemption moment. Bringing Bluetooth back would instantly fix one of the biggest complaints from last year and restore confidence among S Pen fans. If Samsung does reintroduce Bluetooth support with the Galaxy S26 Ultra S Pen, it would be a smart move. It would show that the company listens to its users and understands what makes the Ultra series special. From the signs we're seeing so far, it honestly feels like Samsung might surprise everyone and finally makes pen fans happy again. Here we have the first hands-on unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, shared by Leaker Ice Universe on X, that appears to show a retail box for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, followed by a look at the phone itself from the rear. There isn't a lot of new detail visible, as the device looks very similar to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and closely matches what earlier leaks had suggested. This may be disappointing for some, since it implies Samsung is not making major changes to the overall design. That said, there is at least one noticeable difference compared to the previous model. Three of the rear cameras now appear to sit within a raised camera module, instead of each lens protruding on its own. Aside from that, the phone is shown in a black or dark gray color. It clearly features 4 rear cameras, and the image printed on the box confirms that an S Pen stylus is included, which is expected. All of this aligns with earlier leaks, but the information should still be treated with caution. Although Ice Universe is generally considered a reliable source, they have stated that they do not know where the video originated. In replies to the post, several users, including leaker Max Jambor, have suggested that the footage could be fake. Even so, if this turns out to be a dummy unit, the design details shown are still likely close to the real product, since they are consistent with previous reports. Whether authentic or not, this video may give a fairly accurate idea of what the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra will look like overall. A new rumor suggests Samsung may still bring 2 refinements that could improve the overall imaging experience. According to a post shared on Weibo, Samsung plans to use an upgraded lens coating designed to reduce lens flare. This change would mainly enhance image quality in bright environments where strong light sources often create visible flaring in photos. Lens coatings are already widely used in smartphone cameras to control this problem, which can also appear in low light situations. The improved coating rumored for the Galaxy S26 Ultra's cameras is expected to better manage these flare-related issues. In addition, the report claims Samsung will introduce software-level processing tweaks aimed at reducing the yellow tint often seen in human skin tones, a recurring criticism of Samsung's image processing. The actual level of improvement, however, will only become clear after real-world testing. There are also indications that the launch schedule may shift this year. Samsung usually announces its new Galaxy S lineup in January and releases it by February. This time, the Galaxy S26 S26 series is reportedly set to be unveiled in late February, with market availability expected sometime in March. Samsung is not only revising the camera ring design on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, but it may also be reconsidering its material choices. The Galaxy S25 Ultra previously featured the recognizable vinyl record-style camera rings, with a ridged, textured finish around each sensor, which drew mixed reactions. According to a fresh leak from reliable Samsung tipster Ice Universe, who says he has seen the real device, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is dropping the vinyl-style camera rings in favor of a more refined and premium-looking design. For several generations, Samsung's Ultra models have been defined by their individual floating camera lenses. While this approach became a strong visual identity, the textured Saturn-style rings were often criticized for feeling less premium and somewhat plastic-like. On the Galaxy S26 Ultra, these textured concentric circles are reportedly being replaced with smooth, polished metal camera rings. This cleaner, minimalist look is already being compared to the metal rings used on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. In addition to the camera changes, Ice Universe also raised another important question in a recent tweet. He asked whether users would accept the Galaxy S26 Ultra removing the titanium middle frame, similar to Apple's approach, and switching back to an aluminum alloy frame instead. This suggests that Samsung may be evaluating both design aesthetics and material choices for the S26 Ultra, potentially prioritizing balance, cost, or durability over titanium branding. According to Ice Universe, the 4 basic color names for the Galaxy S26 Ultra are Black Shadow, White Shadow, Galactical Blue, and Ultraviolet. What's interesting here isn't just the names themselves, it's what's missing. Samsung has dropped the titanium branding entirely. That strongly suggests a shift in material strategy, or at the very least, a new marketing direction. Samsung clearly wants the S26 Ultra to feel different, not just upgraded. Next, the S Pen. And this is a detail many people missed. Ice Universe confirmed that the S26 Ultra adopts an asymmetrical arc-shaped S Pen, matching renders he shared months ago. This isn't just a cosmetic tweak. It hints at internal layout changes, better ergonomics, and possibly improved balance when using the pen for long sessions. And now, the pricing, which might be the most surprising part. Another leak claims the Galaxy S26 series starts at $799 for the S26, $999 for the S26 Plus, and $1,299 for the S26 Ultra. Even more interesting, all models reportedly come with 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage by default. The leaker suggests this price freeze wouldn't be possible without Samsung using Exynos in some regions, which could explain how Samsung is holding the line on pricing despite rising costs. Put all of this together, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a calculated move. Refined design choices, subtle hardware changes, and aggressive pricing strategy. Whether Samsung gets it right or not, that's where the real debate begins. So, we finally have our first official look at the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and this time, it's not just coming from one place. This exact S26 Ultra display front display view video was also shared by Ice Universe, who reacted to it by saying, "Wow, this is the first time the S26 Ultra has been revealed to us. Official rendering." That's a big statement coming from one of Samsung's most reliable insiders. On top of that, Tipster CID shared the same display and described it as S26 Ultra Privacy Display. According to him, no other phone has this, especially when combined with Samsung's anti-reflective coating. And honestly, that combination alone already sets the S26 Ultra apart. Now, let's break down what we're actually seeing. This right here is the front of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This is not a random animation or a fan-made concept. It comes directly from Samsung itself, through the One UI 8.5 firmware, which makes this leak far more credible. The most noticeable change is the punch-hole camera, which is clearly larger than previous Ultra models. From a pure design perspective, that's not exactly ideal. Visually, it does feel like a slight step back, but there's a solid reason behind it. Samsung is making the selfie camera wider, increasing the field of view from 80° to 85°. That extra coverage is precisely why the punch hole had to grow. And just to be clear, the image shown here is only a reference to demonstrate the difference. It is not an actual camera sample. Looking closer, the bezels appear slightly thinner compared to the S25 Ultra. The corners are more rounded, giving the phone a softer and more refined look. You can also spot the curved finish on the S Pen clicker end, which lines up perfectly with earlier CAD leaks. Samsung has also softened the frame edges, which should make the S26 Ultra noticeably more comfortable to hold in daily use. The unit shown here appears to be the silver variant, with Samsung expected to offer additional colors, including purple and black. Right now, it is still unclear whether the leak design is real, fake, or only partially accurate, but the debate around it has intensified over the past few days. The situation escalated when OnLeaks shared a tweet containing a video that allegedly showed exact dummy units of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The video quickly spread across the leak community and sparked mixed reactions. Shortly after, Tipster Vats33RE shared the same content and raised a direct question: Galaxy S26 Ultra design, upgrade or downgrade? This single line pushed the discussion even further. Not long after that, Tipster CID also shared the same dummy-based leak, calling it a breaking Galaxy S26 Ultra dummy's first look and questioning whether the device looks more premium than the Galaxy S25 Ultra. At this point, many people began treating the design as nearly confirmed. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.